Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition now. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Hello Neighbor dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Hello Neighbor dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Hello Neighbors Dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing, somewhat scary, and terrifying, and you might end up dying and never coming back dimension. Everything you're going to need is in this chest. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need 10 purple wool. You're also going to need fur yellow wool. And you're also going to need flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably going to have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up. I'm also bringing along my puffer fish just for good luck, guys. And I'm also bringing along some eggs in case I have to have the Hello Neighbor's grandmother suck them, guys, and suck them real good. I'm also bringing along a potato because that's actually how I think, guys, because it's my brain. I'm also bringing along a chicken in case I run out of eggs. I'm also bringing along a cow in case I need something to drink, like some milk or something. I'm also bringing along a pig because he knows how to kick butt. And I'm also bringing along my villager because he knows how to slap people just right, guys. But let's go ahead and make this frame. When you're making the frame, you want to put your 2 yellow wool on each side. Then you just want to go ahead and put your 2 purple wool in the middle. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up. And then you just want to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3 purple wool. Then you just want to go ahead and put 1 yellow wool on top, and then you just want to look around, make sure that you don't see the Hello Neighbor anywhere, guys, because he could be anywhere. Oh my god, was that him? Is he over there mining for diamonds? I don't know, guys. I don't know. You know what? I better just build this and get into the dimension quick. So let's go ahead and put 3 purple wool on this side, guys. And then let's go ahead and put 2 purple wool in the middle. And then let's just go ahead and put 1 yellow wool on the side. And let's go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this amazing, beautiful, epic frame we have just built. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. Boom. Wow. Now it's time to go ahead and head on in, guys. So let's go ahead and head on in to the mystery chest. That's right, guys. And let's go ahead and see what we got in the mystery chest. In the mystery chest, we have TNT, and we also have some redstone torches. So you best believe we're going to be blowing some stuff up. We also have some lava, and we also have a rocket. So maybe we will go to the moon. So let's go ahead and get all the way back, guys, and right ahead into this dimension. I'm going to try to do it backwards, guys. Oh my god, I totally missed it. I cannot believe that, guys. Let's go ahead and do it again. Oh my god, jump straight through. Wow, how embarrassing, guys. But whoa, that loaded up quick, guys. And wow, where are we? Is this supposed to be our house? This is a small house, and wow, look how generous they are, guys. They give us a lever, a fishing rod, and some old deviled eggs. That is disgusting, guys. But you know what? I'm going to make his grandmother suck them even harder now that I know I'm in this small house, and he's in that gigantic, beautiful house. Look at this house, guys. That don't even compare to that, guys. Like, that is beautiful. That is a turd. That's what that is, guys. That's beautiful. That's a turd. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow this up, because nobody should be sleeping in a house like this, guys. So let's just go ahead and blow it up. Come on, baby. Boom. Oh my god, did you guys see that one go flying up in the air? But that's what it deserves, guys. You know what? I might even blow up his house. If he acts bad to me, I might blow up his house, or I might just take his house, because it is pretty nice, guys. He even has a car and everything. Let me go ahead and shut that. Let's just go ahead and... What is that? Let's just go ahead and head through her, guys. This looks like it might be his garage, but he don't have a sports car or anything in there, obviously, because it's out. Hopefully he's out of the house so we don't have to try to fight him. But wow, that is a smart television. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and throw some eggs at it. Let me just go ahead and throw some eggs. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just broke his TV. He's going to be so upset, guys. I just broke his TV. And wow, nobody's seen me break his TV. But wow, he got some cake and some milk. What's in here, guys? Even though it looked like he drank all the milk, this looks like it might just be like a weird place where he washes his hands. And then this is some place that has a furnace. I'm not sticking my potato in that furnace. I don't know what he's been doing with that, guys. And then this is obviously like a little side perch. Let's go ahead and head on back through, guys. And I cannot believe he drank all the milk. Let's go ahead and see what's in this room. Oh my god. Did he bury someone here? I'm kind of afraid to dig this one up, guys. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna man up. I'm gonna brave up and I'm gonna dig this up. Oh my god, that's the casket. Oh my god, he buried somebody. I'm hoping it wasn't anybody I know. Let's go ahead and see. Oh my god, he buried Herobrine. Oh my god. He buried Herobrine. He killed Herobrine and buried him. Oh my god, this is obviously where he tortured him. Oh my god, he obviously tortured him, then buried him. And it was all because Herobrine didn't flush the toilet. And this is what happened. The water ran out of the toilet and it totally flooded one of his bedrooms, guys. And he's probably upset about that. And oh my god, he gets another Herobrine head. Whoa, this is obviously Herobrine's baby, and he got Herobrine's baby locked up in this room. I cannot believe this, guys. Herobrine's baby is... Oh my god, what the heck? I just fell straight through the floor. Herobrine's baby's obviously being tortured too, guys. Because now Herobrine's baby has to look at my house, and that's just torture, guys. But let's go ahead and see what is in this chest. It looks like there's some arrows, guys. I cannot believe I fell through that floor. That was such a booby trap. But what the heck is this? Is this a toilet? Oh my god, you know what I gotta do, guys. And I will flush, because I am not like Herobrine. Oh my god, it's clogged. It's clogged. Oh my god. I clogged his toilet. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me next. Oh my god, I just even more clogged it with a chicken. But at least I can blame the chicken now, guys. Let me just try to flush it. Nope, it ain't going anywhere. He is going to be so upset, guys. He's probably going to take his shovel and like try to beat me over the head or something, guys. For this one. Like, that's really bad, guys. Like, and it stunk too. I can't even believe the chicken's able to smell that. But whoa, what is this? This is obviously some kind of balcony, so he can look at my ugly house. He just keeps doing this and that because that's probably what you're gonna do after you see that house. But oh my god, it just spawned another chicken. But I can't keep doing this because I gotta save some of these eggs so I can make his grandmother suck on them, guys. But let's go ahead and see what this is. This is just obviously another pluck on them, guys. But let's go ahead and see what this is. This is just obviously another place to jump after he sees my house. But let's go ahead and head on up and see what's up here, guys. And oh my god, it's him. I did not think we was going to run into him. Suck on the eggs. Oh my god, he did suck on the eggs, guys. And now he probably wants to fight. Oh my god, he's really upset that he had to suck on them old hard-boiled eggs. You know what? I'm going to have to take you out. Boom, take that. Oh my god. He's stronger than I thought, guys. He is way stronger than I thought. Boom, take that right to the shoes. Oh my god, he just keeps slinging me like I'm a little baby or something, guys. I'm not a little baby, I'm a man. Oh my god. He still freaked me like this, guys. You know what? I'm gonna have to blow him up. Let's go ahead and light it up, guys. He's about to blow. Whoa, that actually killed him? I was not expecting that, guys. I did not think that would take him out. Just that little bit of TNT took him out. But to be fair, guys, it was a pretty big explosion. Like, it blew this place up pretty good, guys. But wow, I cannot believe he thought that I was going to live in that little house and not come over here and try to take this house. He should have known better, guys. He really should have known better. And oh my god, my chicken's about to jump after seeing my house. But let me know what you guys thought about Herobrine being killed by the neighbor. I never thought the neighbor would do it, guys, but I thought Herobrine and the neighbor was good friends, but obviously they wasn't, and he didn't like him because he overflooded his toilet. But let me know what you guys thought about this amazing add-on. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.